Is the noise loud? High operating costs? Serious pollution? PCA and GPU systems are becoming increasingly popular as they perfectly solve these pain points. Excluding maintenance costs, the operating cost of using PCA equipment is only 1/5 of that of APU, and the overall operating cost can be reduced by at least 60%. Furthermore, if an airport ensures that 100 transit flights use 400 Hz ground power and PCA systems instead of APUs, it can reduce annual emissions by 20 tons nitrogen oxides and 80 tons carbon dioxide. The first PCA in China was applied at Beijing Capital Airport, making Shenling the first PCA manufacturer in China. Due to the superior performance and stability of the product, Shenling continuously won numerous airport projects. Shenling continuously integrates the latest technologies and materials to create high-performance, reliable air conditioning systems, strengthen the product's intelligence and digitalization. This not only significantly reduces operational costs, but also comprehensively meet diverse needs. We also focus on sustainability with an emphasis on environmental, social, and governance factors. Therefore, in addition to PCA, we offer intelligent and energy-efficient HVAC solutions for airports, ensuring that every unit of energy is utilized to its fullest potential. Firmly grasp the leading power of equipment design. Based on different on-site working conditions, Shenling can offer customized product solutions capable of operating in high altitude, high salinity, and high temperature, high humidity environments, etc. The system can deliver maximum cooling output within 20 to 30 seconds and reach the desired air outlet temperature within 3 minutes, maintaining stable airflow to enhance passenger comfort. The design of the PCA not only enhances energy-saving effect while maintaining comfortable temperature, shorten maintenance time, no need for high-frequency replacement, saving operation and maintenance costs. The metering system utilizes IoT technology and digital methods to achieve intelligent management of ground equipment. Shenling's intelligent networked billing system enhances operational efficiency, reduces costs, and promotes energy savings and emission reductions at airports through automation and smart technologies, thereby improving overall service levels. Shenling's PCA have been successfully deployed at numerous airports around the world, with several renowned airlines and airport operators choosing Shenling. Especially Zurich Airport Group's Brazil branch has highly recognized and praised Shenling's equipment for its performance, reliability, and environmental.
Quando o avião está parado dentro do aeroporto, ele precisa de energia elétrica para funcionar todos os seus sistemas e ar-condicionado da aeronave. Mas você sabia que essa energia nem sempre vem de um lugar bom para o meio ambiente? Inclusive, reduzir as emissões de dióxido de carbono e a utilização de querosene e diesel são grandes desafios da aviação para tornar o setor mais sustentável. Mas nada é impossível. Agora, o Floripa Airport e o Vitória Airport, em operação, chamam investimentos de 17 milhões da Zurich Airport Brasil no novo equipamento, destaca o compromisso com o meio ambiente e o futuro do nosso planeta.
With a global perspective and a focus on the future, Shenling is committed to driving digital and low-carbon transformation in airports worldwide. By integrating advanced energy management technologies and intelligent control systems, Shenling aims to provide more efficient air conditioning and power solutions for airports, while creating greater operational benefits and sustainable value for clients globally.